Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please subscribe so that you don't miss any of the content that I post in the future. I post things concerning working online, okay, about online jobs, the remote jobs, and everything that you want to know about online, the online space, more so regarding the jobs. Okay, I don't post other things apart from that. Okay, so today I want to share with you an opportunity that I got, and this opportunity is available at a site that I'm going to mention its name just in a few minutes. Okay, so as you can see, there are a lot of tasks over here, and some of them are paying up to $7. That's crazy amount of money for some micro tasks. Okay, so you can see there are a lot of jobs over here. Let me just move forward. As you can see, there are a lot of jobs over here, some of them paying $2, some of them paying $4, but majority are paying $7.50. Okay, so what is the name of this site? The site is called Amazon Mechanical Turk. Okay, and I want just to open it so that you can see it. Just give me some few minutes. So as you can see, this is the name of the site. Okay, it is called Amazon Mechanical Turk. This is where you're going to get these micro tasks over here. Okay, so I just want to pass you through a brief process of opening the account. I'm not going to do it fully because I have already created an account with them, and from what I have observed, it's like you cannot be able to create another account if you have an account with them. Okay, so let me just give you a brief process of creating an account with them. Okay, so just go to your Chrome browser. Okay, I'm going to use a new profile. Allow me to use a new profile so that I can be able to demonstrate to you. Okay, so just type in Amazon Mechanical Turk. Okay, just type in as Amazon Mechanical Turk, like how I've done. Okay, now this is how the website looks like. Okay, the link to the website looks like this. Okay, if you open it, you're going to see something like this. Okay, so just open it, and then on the top right corner of this website where it is written sign in as a worker, click over there. Okay, click over here where it is written sign in as a worker. So after clicking it, you're going to see signing in. Okay, and then on the lower part where I'm highlighting, you will see where it's written create your Amazon account. That's where you're supposed to click, and then you're going to fill your details over here. Okay, like your first name, you're saying first name and last name, your email. Okay, so for example, let me just do a simple process of creating the account. So my name is Paul, and then my email, let me just use this email, and then password. Okay, so for password, I'm going to tell you, no, just wait. Okay, for password, just input any password that you want to put. Okay, as long as you will be able to remember it. Okay, so let me just use password 2024. Password 2024. Repeat the same password. Okay, create Amazon account. Okay, so you're going to be given a puzzle that you're supposed to solve. Solving a puzzle is not that difficult. That one you can be able to do it. So like this one is saying, if you're not able to do the first puzzle, just click over here. Okay, so that they can give you some other puzzles that you can be able to do. Okay, so in my case, they're saying pick an ice cream, this one, and I love ice creams. Okay, I don't know if you people like or not. Okay, they're saying there was a problem, internal error, please try again later. So I think there's a problem. There's a problem. Let me just see. Password 2024. Let me repeat and see. Allow me to repeat and see. Okay, so they're going to send an OTP to your email, which you are going to use to verify. Okay, so just head to your email. Like in my case, I'm going to go to my email. Let me just go to my email over here. No, sorry for the confusion, guys. Let me just open my email over here. My Gmail, is it email or Gmail? Guys, you're going to tell me. Okay, so let me just open it. Yeah, some people who say Gmail, email, and I see a G there, or is it silent G? Okay, guys. Let us proceed with the business of the day. So I'm opening my email. That one I know it's not hard. Okay. So just the first message that has been sent. Okay. So I'm going to copy over this OTP. It is in form of numbers, numericals, and then I'm going to paste it over there. Okay, and then I'm going to tap over here where it's written create your Amazon account. Let us wait. Okay, it has opened. Now there's something that you're supposed to fill. It's called worker registration. Okay, so create an Amazon Mechanical Turk account by filling over this registration form. Okay, so for country of residence, you can put the country that you are from. Okay, your full name over there, your addresses. Okay, you're going to input 3 addresses. Like in my case, I usually use the PO box. Okay, so my address starts with a PO box. Okay, and then the rest. Okay, so the name of your city, the name of your state, province or region, and then you are going to write your zip or postal code, your phone number, and then other information. How did you hear about Amazon Mechanical Turk? So maybe if you have heard it from maybe a blog, family or friends, you can say. Okay, and then what is the primary reason you are interested in completing? What is the primary reason you are interested in completing tasks on MTurk? So like in my case, I was looking, what was I looking for? I like that I can work from anywhere or at any time. That was what I was looking for. Okay, I wanted to be a remote worker and to have flexibility. Okay, so that's why I chose Amazon Mechanical Turk. Okay, so after filling it, guys, you just agree to the participation agreement and privacy notice. You're going to pass through it and see, and then you agree. Okay, so after doing that, the next process is going to guide you guys, because here I cannot be able to fill my details again. So up to here, I think I've given you a foundation of how you can create an Amazon Mechanical Turk account. Okay, so guys, I hope this video has been helpful. So for you not to miss any of the future videos, I will kindly ask you to subscribe to my channel. It is a small channel actually. I'm still growing it. I hope the next time I'll be talking of 1,000 subscribers. Okay, and I'll work hard to find opportunities to share with you guys. If you have liked this video, please kindly like, and I'll ask you to share with your loved ones, and plus I'm sharing it for the purpose of trying. Okay, I'm not saying it's a guarantee that you're going to get a job. Okay, so we are trying. If we get, well and good. If we don't get, we still look for other ones. Okay, so guys, see you on the next video.